Stellar XLM holders, we got some massive news today. So this is the biggest integration that XLM has seen to date, and the price has yet to move, making this extremely underrated. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. So Stellar XLM has achieved support from Visa. This is the most significant integration, like I mentioned, to date. Visa's added the blockchain to its stablecoin settlement platform, placing it alongside other massive cryptos such as Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. So Visa's updated its system to support 4 blockchains and 4 USD and euro-backed stablecoins, including PayPal USD, PYUSD, Global Dollar USDG, and Circle's EURC. Now, Visa partners can settle transactions using stablecoins directly on the Stellar network, which could make cross-border flows faster and cheaper. This is one of the chains. This is one of XLM's biggest promises, dating back to 2014 when it was established, because we know that they are more into peer-to-peer type transactions, remittances, things like that, and this is going to help immensely. This is a huge deal for XLM. Now, despite the headlines, it has not been moving a whole heck of a lot. Actually, in fact, it has gone down some. But Stellar could be growing faster than the chart shows behind the scenes. So let's take a look at what's going on with Stellar. We can see this falling wedge pattern starting to develop. Well, not starting; it has been developing. So it is, it's coming down in price. We did see that top out around the 51 cent mark, about 52 cent mark, back in earlier in July, about the 18th or so of July. We saw kind of the top for this month. And, since then, we've been kind of trending downwards. And, it's really in line with what the rest of the market is doing right now. We have tariff situations still ongoing. We have the Federal Reserve unwilling to drop interest rates in the United States. Just a number of things that are just kind of not quite lining up to signify any significant move up for the crypto market. So Stellar XLM is not alone in this. This is not a Stellar issue. But what is going on with the price? Let's take a look at some technical analysis. The price pulled back, dropped about 20% from its highest point in July, which we looked at. XLM price formed a bullish flag and a falling wedge in the daily. Stellar's stablecoin assets are nearing 200 million, and total value locked in decentralized finance apps has jumped to a record high. So what are we really looking at? Where could we see the price to go here in the near future? The circulating supply of stablecoins matters because stablecoins on any network means basically free flowing capital, right? So if you have stablecoins available to you, you can always make purchases. It's kind of like having dry powder. Now, it jumped 13% in the last 30 days to over 189 million. This suggests the supply could surpass a $200 million milestone in August. Basically, it could, right? The way it's been going. Now, total value locked in the Stellar network has climbed to a record 145 million. This is up from a year-to-date low of $52 million. So absolutely crushing it there. Tokenized assets also rising over 441 million. So price analysis, like I mentioned here, guys, we got that falling wedge pattern, huge neck here right before that occurred. Its pullback formed this pattern. Now, this is a popular continuation signal. So what does that mean? It means it's going to fall a little bit, most likely, and then run up again. Now, the price consists of 2 falling converging triangles, or trend lines, sorry, with a breakout typically occurring near their intersection when they kind of come to peak, right? This is also forming a rare bullish pennant pattern featuring the vertical flagpole, like we saw how much it shot up, and a triangle. Additionally, it's formed a golden cross pattern, which the 50-day moving average crossed above the 200-day. A number of positive technical indicators here for XLM. Now, the token's likely going to climb higher in August as long as the rest of the crypto market follows suit, with an initial target of about 52 cents. That would take us back up to where we were, and a break above that level could point to further gains, potentially about the 63-cent mark, which is 55% above current prices. Now, if you're looking to stay on top of price action, you guys can certainly take a look at my trading indicator here. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can scan the QR code or visit www.cfalgo.com, cfalgo.com. And there's also a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. But it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're in the first 30 days, if you're not satisfied, just let us know. And what it does here is it determines when the best time to buy and sell is. So if you were to buy back here when this buy signal occurred, and sold when the sell signal occurred, you'd be up about 95% on your asset there, or on your trade. So, this is a really, really good, especially for people who don't want to sit there and watch the charts 24/7. It will let you go and do your thing. You can, basically go about your day, go to work, whatever it is you got to do, take care of your family, go on vacation, and it will tell TradingView when to notify you when your signals appear here on the chart. So I got a number of different signals here. I've been trading like FET, XRP, Pendle, HBAR, and I've also been trading some XLM on the side, as well as having my main holdings. Right, I always do that. I'm a buy and hold person, but I also like to swing trade on the side. This thing is perfect for that. So if you're interested, like I said, cfalgo.com. And if you're interested, use my coupon code. It's intro10. During checkout, you're going to save a pile. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys in this video. Really great news for XLM. I think that's making this thing absolutely undervalued. Just this Visa integration is opening up a whole new world of use case for XLM, and building on its existing use case as well. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.